guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna make some bookmarks. I'm gonna show you simple bookmarks ideas. So you need a 10 centimeter paper. Here should be 10 centimeter and here also. Everything should be equal. So first I will fold from here to here. I tucked the first one in like this. Now I'll do the second one. Now I'm gonna do a second one. So, these are all my bookmarks, and I'm gonna be using this for grade 3. First thing first, I just wrote something here. Laugh out loud, I like it. Lol. My unicorn. Actually, you're supposed to like do it like this, but no one cares. Don't need to see that. And this. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this with your friends and families,